Midjourney have just added an update to their styles and it's super cute. So without further ado, let's check it out. So Midjourney have added new styles to their Niji sort of section. So Niji sort of runs in parallel to the main Midjourney. Niji is specifically stuff that's been trained on anime and manga for that very specific kind of anime looking style. So all the artwork, all the training is based on pictures in that style. And they've added a couple of additional settings. So not only they've got Niji version 5, which is an update on the original Niji setting, but they've got, and we'll just go to it, you'll see here that so not only have they added 2 new styles of Niji Journey, our anime themed Midjourney model, as I say, it's all trained on sort of anime themed type images and stuff like that. So they've got 2 settings here, style cute or style expressive. And cute will kind of give you that extra anime in terms of the eyes, big kind of Disney-esque eyes and a kind of anime style. And expressive is slightly more, I would say, expressive, no, sort of 3D in its kind of rendering, if that makes sense. But anyway, so I thought I would check it out and we can see what it's like. Now, it's very easy to do. All you need to do is go into your settings, as it says here, and choose Niji version 5. So I've got the Midjourney bot here, and we're going to go into settings. You don't have to I'll show you a different way of doing this. So here it is, Niji version 5. Okay, so you just switch it off and you'll see my Midjourney version 5 is switched off and Niji version 5 there is switched on. Now, just to give you an example of what it's like, here is one I did earlier. In ordinary Midjourney, this was just a cyber cat. Don't ask. I wanted to cyber a cat. Now, what's more cute than a cat? So let's take the same prompt and we're going to put it in here and you'll sort of see the difference. There we go. Imagine, right? And then after, what you need to do here then is we put in, so style cute or style expressive. Okay, so let's go style cute. Okay, and we'll see what it turns up with. Okay, and it's quite interesting here. This doesn't look particularly Niji in its settings. Neither of them. That's very interesting. The eyes do here, but obviously this one down here does. I wonder what's overriding it. We'll see. I mean, this doesn't look very anime in its style. That's quite interesting because when I did it previously, it did come out that way. Definitely got the Niji version 5. Okay, let's just try it again. The same thing, but we're going to do expressive. You see it comes up. It did, yeah, definitely Niji 5 because it comes up at the end there. I think what it is because I've added in hyper real in the original expression. If I take that out, very detailed. Yeah, that's interesting actually. It's almost counteracting the style because I put in very detailed, but you definitely see it in the eyes. I mean, look at this. It's got that kind of 3D render. I think these work much better if I'm honest. But let's take out the kind of detailed bit and just put, let's look, give it a fair crack at the whip, as it were. Let's go imagine, and then we go cute cat with its best friend, a mouse, going for a walk in a Tokyo street. Okay. Oh, I didn't put the let's do it without the expression actually. So this is just with Niji 5, obviously in the Niji 5 setting. So then we'll add in expressive, and that's probably a better judge. Again, we're getting quite, by looks of things, are quite a realistic output, which is weird because it shouldn't be doing it. Definitely this first one here, by the looks of things, is much closer. So there we are. That's much more in that. It's almost like a Nibbly style, isn't it? That kind of, that's much closer to what we're going for. It's also, it's done that thing where it merges the cat and the mouse into one. That's like a mouse or a mout. I don't know. This kind of works. Okay, but let's put the expression in this time. Style, and then we're going to put in cute. Okay. I've told it to be cute. I told the style. So it'll be interesting to see whether we get a slightly more interesting version. And at the same time, I'm going to put in Magic. We'll do it expressive. And then we could put a better expressive. Okay, we'll see. Okay, this looks like, this is more like it. So definitely you put in the style cute and we're getting there, I think. So you definitely need to put in that style to really emphasize the kind of expressive style that you're going to get from Niji. And yeah, so these much more like drawings. Okay, here. So here we go. So this is much more, look at that. So sort of super cute. Look at this. Again, I'm not quite sure what's happening here. Best friend is a sort of a mouse cat. I don't know. Mouse cat. There's a new anime series. Mouse cat. So it needs some work on that, but you can see the overall cuteness of it. And I think with a bit of work, if you're trying to create a character or something, a kind of cute character, then it'll kind of work. Very, very stylistic in its kind of anime manga style there. Sort of super cute. Super cute. I think you'll agree there. Whereas expressive, you get much more of a 3D. Now this has really worked. Look at this. Yeah. This is the winner by far. Look at this. Brilliant. And you get that kind of 3D rendering, you know, that kind of almost cell shading kind of Disney-esque stuff. That's what you get when you put in style expressive. I really like this one here. That's super cute. I want that. I wish you could just say, I'll make it, let's upscale number 3. I want this in 16 by 9. We'll do it again. So I need a thumbnail, so we'll just add it to the thumbnail. If this works, you would have seen this, because it will be the thumbnail. I'm doing the same again, but look at this. Super cute. Love it. Really expressive. Everything looks right to me there. And that's what you get with the Niji expressive style. So 2 styles there. Niji cute, which is this in its interpretation and expression of what you're asking. And then, so that's cute. And then style expressive, these ones here. And I think the best of those for me has got to be this one here. Really like that image. I think it works really, really well. Again, not quite. I don't know what's going on here. His best mate, where's the mouse? Here's the mouse. I mean, they're cute. I'm liking it. They look, you know, I think we want variations on that one, I think, for the thumbnail. I'm going to work on it. It may not be the thumbnail, but I'll work on it. But there you go. Just a quick look at the update on Midjourney. I love the fact they're constantly updating and tweaking things. And this time round, it's the Niji version 5. So they've updated Niji for those anime manga style artwork that seems to be so popular. I think I can work with one of these. I mean, I love that. It's almost that kind of cell shading and the shadowing and the expressive. I think I prefer the expressive, but let me know down in the comments. Do you prefer the cute or the expressive? And what do you think of these new updates to Midjourney? Anyway, I hope you found that useful. I hope you found it interesting. If you did, then please hit the likes, yeah, because I like it and YouTube likes it, and it will help people just like you find amazing content just like this. And if you are new here, then do me the massive favor. Why don't you hit that subscribe button? Because we're a new channel. We're trying to get those subscribers up, so it'll be a big help. And toggle that notification bell, and that way you'll know when I do regular updates on all things AI. I like to share all things new about AI. I get excited about it. Hopefully you get excited about it. So anyway, hit the subscribe, toggle the notification bell and all of that. And while you're at it, why don't you check out some of my other AI videos over here? They're just as fun. I think you'll enjoy them. Thanks for watching.